We're gonna be doing fireworks real soon. See? And then there's Hunter. Hi, Hunter.
What?
Hi, there's Craig.
She's filming.
Phoenix. And Emily. Too late!
Here, did you take these two?
Yeah.
They wouldn't get here.
Oh yeah, my aunt did that.
Our setup on this hill, car, hill, we're ready to go.
I'm about to go get a shake from that smoothie place.
Hello.
Right.
So, what you doing?
Setting up a chair so I can put my sweater in it, and it's reserved just for my sweater.
They're like
If anybody
Sorry,
touches
my
it
flash
besides
is
my
on.
sweater,
My flash is on, I'm sorry.
if anybody touches it anybody sits in this chair besides my sweater, you're dead.
Hi, Hunter.
I don't know that,
What am
man.
I falling on?
The chair.
I didn't know that.
Yes, I am allergic to grass. So I can't roll the hill, sorry. They're off.
Shit.
They're off. Roll down it, roll down it. He's going. Yay! Classical ending, put the head on. Woo!
That hurt my head.
Oh, the fireworks. Fireworks.
I got it.
Fireworks.
Careful, Phil. Put them in the back.
The scenery is so beautiful.
And there's lots of riding.
She's going after her love. She's going after her love. After her love. Yes. Yes. She's going after her love. I ship it. Wait. Where did he go? Because now I feel stupid because that ain't Hunter. Oh wait, Hunter's in the front seat.
What you doing?
Shipping. Shipping.
Oh.
I was like, here she's going to her love. And then I realized that Craig was in the front seat, and then Hunter's in the front seat. He is in the drive seat. So yeah. Yeah. Naruto running. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at her go. Bow chicka wow. The perfect music to see. To say as a person's walking towards you, bow chicka wow. It doesn't matter who it is. And she did.
No, she's just planking on the hill.
Plank! Wait, watch. I can't put it on here.
Woo!
But I don't really
The light.
use her anymore, so.
The light sucks. Hi.
Chair's going
Hi.
over here, so I can...
So over here we got Emily.
Hi.
Sorry my flash is on. I forgot to turn
I
it
don't
off.
care.
Me.
It actually looks really cool because when it
That is
reflects in
bright.
your glasses.
I am sorry. There's grandparents. Woo.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa.
And all the fireworks.
Are you gonna record my heavy duty soul moment?
Sure.
Yay!
You gonna
I
post
actually
it?
should have brought my Twin Pilots jacket. That would have made it 10 times better, but oh well.
Does anyone have?
So, how many years have you done this?
We have done this, not on this exact hill, but we have done fireworks over in this area for at least five years.
Nice.
You're how old? 72?
Here comes Craig.
I am great. Rated. Hello, Steph.
Hi, Craig.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please.
What is burglar?
Craig, get your butt out of the way. See the specular. I'm recording it. I'm putting it onto YouTube. Hi!
Oh, right.
Phoenix, when it happens, turn around.
Okay, I'm gonna go down the hill.
Alright. Figure out this would be part 1 of fireworks.
Hunter's back.
Hunter's back?
Hunter's
Yep.
back.
Yeah, with ice cream, like I said.
Yep.
So this is part 1.